smart plug. This is the condition I got it in, and I followed the instruction to download this app, and I connected fairly easily to the app interface. Is good. So this is, I called it smart plug. So here comes the problem. Let's plug it in. Make it online. Okay, it blinked and it worked this way. Give it a while and it will connect. So right now it's online. Okay, looks perfectly fine like this. You can see that all of them is turned on, off. Okay, but this is the problem. See, this works. This works individually. When I press this, it turns on too, and one is useless. So basically these two is actually one button. Turn on is the same thing. I haven't tried this countdown or timer function because I can't be bothered by it, since this is not working as how the product say it will be. Next thing, I follow the instruction to add into my Google Home. It supposedly connects well, but in this case it doesn't connect. So I'll go into, let it set up for home control, device. Okay, what we do is the device is called Smart Life, I believe. Just find the same logo. Smart Life, this one. So let me connect my account. Okay. Let me key in the details. Okay, so I'll link now. Authorized. Okay. So it says account is now linked. Happy, done. But when you go back to the device page, it's still not linked. Broadlink, Smart Link, and yet you don't find Smart Link. So basically it's trash, you can't use it via Google. Yep, I'll be requesting a refund. Thank you.